Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about how to make a YouTube channel using a phone in 3 easy steps. But before we start the video, I hope and request everyone to subscribe my channel and help me reach my first 1K subscribers. Thank you. Now let's start our video about how to make a YouTube channel using a phone. The first step is you need to have a Google account or Gmail account. If you don't have Google account or Gmail account, you can go and click the card appearing above this video, as I have already made and uploaded a video how to create a Gmail account. So go first see that video, create a Gmail account, and again come back to this video. Okay, if you have already a Gmail account, then we can go to the second step. That is, we need to go find YouTube and click on it by logging into your Google account. So as you can see, there is this YouTube. So now what is the second step? You need to go and click on this small icon over here. As you can see, this icon right over here on the right top side of your phone, you need to just click on that. When you click on that, you can see your channel. Okay, as you can see here, your channel. As you can see, you need to click on this is your third step. Just go and click on your channel. This is what it will say, how you will appear. Okay, that is, change your photo or take a new one. You can change the photo or take a new one, and you can put your channel name over here. Okay, so the third step over here is you need to click and put a channel name like Dizzy Guide YouTube. So this is going to be my channel name. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to, the final step is to click on this create channel. Okay, after you click on it, create channel, there you go, your YouTube channel has already been created. So these 3 easy steps and you are already done with making a channel. So this is how you are going to make a YouTube channel from your phone. I hope you like this video, and if you want any other kind of help or videos in future, you can put that in a comment section, and I hope you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day, good night, whatever time you are living at. Bye bye.